The HYPO variable joint pliers are crafted from top-quality special tool steel. They are self-adjusting, which means that the width of the jaws does not have to be manually set and can be used with just one hand. The maximum diameter of gripping object is 40 millimeters. The locking mechanism enables safe transport to the workplace as well as easy storage. HYPO pliers are the ideal solution for working with all types of surfaces as they ensure full adjustability to the workpiece regardless of its shape.